This thing is a monster. This is the best backpack blower on the market right now. Just finished up here, started at our shortest point. All you do is follow that line in stripes of light and dark. Started out with our verts, ended up doing or finishing off with our diagonals to get our diamond pattern.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Glad to see you guys again. Another video for you guys today. Hopefully you guys have seen the previous two videos of the landscaping stuff that I showed you guys. A lot of good tips and tricks in that video. So now it is time to clean our machine. So we've done a lot of work with the machine this past season. We had fresh oil in it, fresh hydro fluid in it, but it has now come to a time where it's just that dirty to where it needs to get cleaned, and then we're going to lube it up. So I'm going to get the pressure washer out here, bring the mower over to the driveway, and we're going to pressure wash it off. So we'll soap it down, pressure wash it all off, and then we will lube it up with our oil, or our grease, excuse me, not oil. Lube it up with grease, and then we will let it dry and put it back on the truck. I also have to go back to the place I was at yesterday, which I made those two videos for you guys, and pick up all of that brush that I put into those bags, because the lady that I did that for, she said it's just too heavy for her to pick up. So now she wants me to pay me to pick up the bags and take it to a dump. So we're going to do that as well. All right, we're ready for the wash here. I got the mower up on my 3-ton jack here. Took off the side pieces and the front plate to expose the underside of the deck. I blew this out already, did a little bit of screwdriver work in here, getting some of that mud off. And then one thing I always do weekly and after all of my cuts is I clean out my air filter. So my air filter has this secondary filter on it as well, and you can see it's got a rip in it right here, but that's okay. The actual filter is underneath there, as you can see. But I always clean this out, and I use my backpack blower as well to blow right in the center hole here and blow all of the dust out. You never want to blow any air filter air, or you never want to blow air into the air filter from the outside. You always want to blow it through the hole and have the air come out of the air filter. So that's your proper way of cleaning air filters, or reusable air filters, I should say. So there does come a time in which these do get old and you need to replace it, but mine is perfectly fine. As you can see, it's still pretty white in there. You can tell that that's white, so it still looks pretty good, almost brand new, because I clean it weekly. So let's throw this back on here. Goes on just like that. And then I love these things. I already have a cap on them, so you just screw this down. So that's on there tight just like that. And then we throw our cover back on. Find the hole and twist to the right. Boom. Ready. All right, so let's get our pressure washer going here. We'll pressure wash everything, and then we will get into the greasing. Down, soaked it up a little bit. Gonna do a little bit of brushing, and then I'll bring you guys back in for the rinse. Alright guys, the mower is pretty much dry now. Gave it a little bit of time, but we are about to start greasing up all of our grease fittings. Hopefully I can get around all these bees now. So I got a lot of bees. This is a yellow machine. It attracts a lot of bees, especially when it's nice and bright and yellow and freshly cleaned. So we got a bee right there flying around it. So hopefully I don't get stung. But let's go ahead and get started with greasing our machine. Maintenance, baby. Got to take care of your money makers. They take care of you, you got to take care of them. So our first one here, I'm just using a regular handheld greaser from Harbor Freight. All right, bringing you guys back in for the last section of the video. We are all greased up my fittings here on the wheels, even greased up the deck too as well, because it just makes it easier to get these pins out, honestly. And then this is a floating deck, so I like to just have all the moving parts greased up, even if they don't need them. Greased up my sulky wheels as well, and we are looking good for next week's mowing. Leaf season is about to start, so all these leaves are going to start falling here as well. Like I said in the previous video, threw on some mulching blades, so going to purchase about 2 more sets of mulching blades, just because my other ones are worn out from previous seasons and it's just time to replace them. So we're going to get some more mulching blades for this mower and keep running the mulching blades as all the leaves start to fall, so we can get that nice clean finish and have the mulching leaves take care of business with all the leaves and crunching those up into smaller fine pieces and natural fertilizer for the grass. So thank you guys for watching, appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Go make that money, but take care of your equipment as well, because this is your money maker. Take care of it, it will take care of you.